Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for November for you, and I've got a Roccabox, and this is what the box looks like. So as always, if you know everything there is to know about Roccabox and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK only beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping, and inside contains between say 5 to 7 beauty products that range from hair care, skincare, makeup and makeup tools. Plus we also get some freebies thrown in, like previous boxes we've had drinks, we've had cereal bars, chocolates and things like that. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which means you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. The reason you're seeing this box a little bit earlier is because this box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All links and everything related to this subscription and the deals Roccabox have currently going on their website, like they do mystery gift boxes for £10 and they sometimes bring out limited edition boxes as well. All that will be found in my description, as well as a discount off your first box. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So in every box we get a leaflet and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the price, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. I'll give you a sneak peek. I'll go through them one by one, showing you in detail. But before I do that, I'll just read you a little bit about this month's theme. It says, "Hi Roccababes, this month we're bringing you our Lights Camera Relax box. Think goodies that will both rev you up and wind you down. Now that it's back to business as usual, sort of, we know you'll need hard-working products that will get you looking flawless, fine-tuned and ready to face the world each morning. But we also realise now, probably more than ever before, how important it is to unwind at the end of it all, to come home, put the brakes on, whip your bra off and just breathe." And that's why we've also thrown in a soapy body calming goodie designed to induce some serious zen vibes. Love Tia, the founder. We've got 5 products inside this box. 3 are full size and 2 are deluxe travel sizes. So let's start with the first one then. I am really excited to give this a go. It's a full size Nip and Fab Salicylic Fix Concentrate Extreme 2%, and there's 30 mils here. Now I saw a sneak peek of this online a couple of days ago. Oh, brilliant. It's one I haven't tried before. It says here, salicylic acid visibly reduces the appearance of enlarged pores and oily skin. Niacinamide visually improves uneven skin tone, and lotus flower extract works in the control of oil production. It says gently drop 2 to 3 drops onto a cleanse face and neck, and for best results use once or twice a week. If you've got sensitive skin, do a patch test first, and also because you're using an acid on your skin, you need to apply SPF in your skincare regime just to protect it. Just try a little bit on my hand there. You might not be able to see, just a tiny bit. Nice smell, nice smell. Very subtle. This is Roccabox's hero product of the month. Apparently sales of salicylic acid have doubled since lockdown. According to dermatologists, it's key to clearing congested skin, targeting pesky breakouts and tackling acne-prone areas. Containing 2% salicylic acid, one of the most concentrated formulas on the market. In my opinion, if you ever get spots or you're prone to oiliness, your skin regime isn't complete without it. Or what I was thinking of when people, like I know a few people that have to wear masks all throughout the day and they're noticing that they're getting like little spots around the area where they're wearing their mask. You're creating like a warm, damp area where unfortunately bacteria breeds. Now I don't have acne, but I do have large pores and I have combination skin. So I would wear this, I'd wear it. I'd apply it on my T-zone, just here, just on my forehead here and down there. So to buy this, it will cost you £19.95. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a mascara, and this is by Sport Effects. This is Sport Stamina Mascara, and it's waterproof, long lasting, and it just says 24-hour stay proof. I'm assuming it's black. There, I'll open it up and show you now. So it looks like there. I love the curve. I think that is pretty cool, because it really helps in grabbing those lashes, even the hard to reach ones in the corner. So it's a nice small brush to be able to do that, and it is quite dense as well. Ooh, I'll give this a go. I don't think I've ever tried this. I'm sure I've tried Sport FX products in the past, and in all honesty they're a bit hit and miss from what I can remember. I haven't tried any for a long time now, but no, that's not too bad actually. That's not too bad. I am very, very fussy with my mascaras. Very fussy. So this is a full size, and to buy this it'll cost you £7.99. No clogging, flaking or running down my face as the day wears on. It really does have stamina. 24 hours of smudge proof, waterproof stamina to be precise. Plus it contains sweet almond oil to help nourish and give natural volume to my lashes for as long as I am wearing it. So that's number 2. It's gorgeous little travel size here. Really, really cute. Really cute. And this is a Super Duper, and this is a creamy deluxe sheer butter body wash with vanilla pods. 97% naturally derived, cruelty free and vegan, and there's 75 mils here. Now I have tried a few products from this brand as well, and the products I've tried, I might be wrong. The products I've tried smell like grass. Not bad at all. I think I've tried like shower gels and things for, in the shower. This just smells like I just want to eat it. It smells just like a cake, a pudding, chocolate bar. It's the vanilla. Oh my word, that is gorgeous. What is it? It's a body wash, okay. Oh, that is so, so nice. Definitely, if I was blindfolded and that was put under my nose, there is no way on earth I'd say, oh, that's a body wash. I'd be like, it's a chocolate. Give it to me now. It does smell gorgeous. But yeah, the ones I've tried before, I'm sure they've got like a naturally grass type scent to them. But yeah. So this is deluxe travel size, and to buy this it'll cost you £3.50. Using this creamy, warming, skin nourishing treat to wash away the day makes the entire experience that little bit more pleasurable. Plus, now the weather is changing and I'm finding my skin drying out, the added shea butter gives my limbs a much needed shot of hydration. I really, really love that. Next, we've got a little Smashbox primer, and this is the number 1 primer, and it's the original photo finish primer. Ooh, I'll just get that out and show you. It's Fab primer. I've actually got it on now. I am wearing it now. Just on my pores, in my nose there, just to smooth them. I blend them in, just buff it into my pores. Just to give more of a even sort of canvas for my foundation. I do really like the Smashbox primers, not just this one, they do other ones as well. They're just really nice. So it's the Smooth and Blur primer. Makeup lasts up to 8 hours, instantly blurs fine lines and pores. Blend of vitamin A and E, grapeseed extract and green tea, lightweight and oil-free for all skin types. There's a little tiny travel size one there. To buy it at this size, it will cost you £6.53. Developed to help makeup look better and last longer on film sets and photo shoots, this clear face primer gel blurs, flaws, smooths the appearance of your skin and helps your makeup sit flawlessly. Perfect for anyone who's caught sight of their skin mid-Zoom call and wanted to hang up. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a pre-glow up mist. Get your skin glow ready. And this is by Candy Cosmetics. And there's 120 mils there. It says here, spray the mist before or after makeup or on its own for refreshed and glowing skin. I'm sure I've had this before. I am sure I've had this before. That looks really lovely. But if it's the one I'm thinking of, it's a little bit too glowy for me. Spray it on my hand. Let's see. Maybe I haven't had this one then. I don't know. You might not be able to see anything. Shall I just spray a little bit over my face here? There. I'll just do the one side. What looks better? That side? Or that side? I have got highlighter on. I have got highlighter on. I can't see a difference, I'm looking in the viewfinder. Well, what can I tell you about it then? It's got a funny smell. It smells like chalk or something. What's it smell of? It smells like kids' paint. Like a kid's solid paint, you know, which you mix water in. Do you own this? Am I making any sense? Does it smell like that? Right, okay then, so this is full size. The recommended retail price is £15. This is an industry bestseller for a reason. Woke up to dull skin? Spritz this all over your moisturiser and under your foundation for a comfortable dewy glow. We even use ours on bare legs, shoulders and collarbones pre-night out, or we did when night outs were a thing. So I'm just going to gather them all up and add them up. So these are all the products inside Roccabox November Beauty Box. There's 5 products in all, and the cost of the box is £13.95, and the value of the box comes in at over £50. I'll have to add it all up again, but I'll pop it in my description. But yeah, it's just over £50. So we've got a Smashbox primer, we've got a Super Duper, a gorgeous body wash, we've got a Sport FX mascara, we've got a Nip and Fab salicylic acid serum, and we've got a Candy Cosmetics a glow spray. So looking at all the products, the best one for me by far is the Nip and Fab. I think that is brilliant. I think that's a fab item to put in a beauty box, and the fact that it's full size as well. So yeah, I really like that. Mascara, I'm not too sure until I try it, but the brush looks quite promising. Same with this mist. I'm sure I've had it before, and I think the glittery particles scared me off, so I passed it on to someone. But I'm going to see what it looks like now off camera and see if it's a sort of mist that I would wear like for nights out and things like that, you know. So we've got 5 beauty treats. I think it's a really good mix of skincare, body care and makeup. I do think it's well worth £13.95 this month. Yeah, I really do. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Roccabox this month? Do you subscribe to Roccabox? Are you excited to receive your box? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.